This dua is the famous supplication of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam when he was in the belly of whale for so many days and nights. The dua is like this: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين آمين. There is no God worthy to worship except you. Glory be to you. Indeed, I am among the wrongdoers. Suratul Anbiya, ayat number 87. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.